Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to refresh FYP on TikTok. Here are the steps to refresh your TikTok for your page on your Android. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Content Preferences. Tap Refresh your For You feed. Read the prompt, then tap Continue. Confirm by tapping Refresh again. TikTok will reset your FYP and start showing you random content. Start watching, liking, and commenting on videos you enjoy. Follow creators whose content you like to train the algorithm with. Avoid watching or engaging with content you don't want to see more of. Tip: refreshing your FYP gives you a clean slate, but your new feed depends on how you interact moving forward. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.